He's trying to hide.
Yeah, he won't be fun though. It's too late now. He kept the bag. There's no show no more. We're gonna ask for more chocolate.
Kiki, come here. Come here, Kiki. Come here. What? What's wrong?
Let's play.
This is my little baby. You itchy? Yeah, you seen how he was trying to tell me to scratch him right here? You saw that, Gotti? He was trying to tell me to scratch him. Now you want me to scratch your back?
I don't go back to the back.
He gonna roll over. Who? That's yeah, we got somebody else coming.
What, Bruce?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Bruce. Jimmy. Je crois qu'il y a Bruce. We bounced out quick.
Bruce.